Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is a continuation of the WAEC GCE English Language likely questions and answers. If you aim higher in your WAEC GCE examination, if you want to pass with flying colors in your English language, this video is for you. I have some likely questions, highly probable questions for you. Let's begin. Here we are. Not one person was left in the village after the flood. It was completely dashed. Not one person was left in the village after the flood. It was completely dashed. A. Bare. B. Lonely. C. Deserted. D. Isolated. Bare in option A is used to describe when something or someone is not covered or is unclothed. Option B, lonely, is a feeling of being excluded, without companion, without friends, a feeling of being alone. In option C, deserted, is an adjective used to describe a place that is abandoned by people for a reason. Isolated in option D means placed away from others, separated from others. From the meanings of these options, we can see that the correct option is option C, deserted. It is used to describe a place that is abandoned by people for a reason. In this question, people abandoned the village because of flood. Not one person was left in the village after the flood. It was completely deserted. The next one says, Jane has no dash about leaving her whole job. Jane has no dash about leaving a whole job. A. Sorrow. B. Distress. C. Worry. D. Regret. Sorrow in option A means deep sadness, especially the one caused by loss. Option B, distress, refers to extreme anxiety or suffering. Option C, worry, means a feeling of anxiety about something. Whereas option D, regret, means feeling disappointed or sad about something that has happened or a decision that has been taken that we cannot reverse. And we must take note that from the interpretation of this question, Jane did not lose the job. They did not sack her. They didn't fire Jane. She left by herself, so it was not a loss. And since Jane has no negative feelings about leaving her whole job, then regret is the correct option. Option D, Jane has no regrets about leaving a whole job. Question 13. He made his dash for the new team last week. He made his dash for the new team last week. A. Name. B. Debut. C. Arrival. D. Entry. Option A. Name refers to a word that is used to identify someone or something. Option B. Debut means the first public appearance or performance. The first public appearance or performance. Arrival in option C means the act of coming to a place. Entry in option D means the act of going into a place. Since in this question we are talking about the first appearance of that person for the team, the first appearance, then the correct option is debut in option B. He made his debut for the new team last week. To the next question. As an dash for him to stay on the job, the salesman was given a bonus. As an dash for him to stay on the job, the salesman was given a bonus. A. Attraction. B. Incentive. C. Influence. D. Opportunity. In option A, we have the word attraction. It means something that draws interest or something that draws someone's attraction. Incentive in option B refers to something that is given to motivate or to encourage someone to do better. Influence, that's what we have in option C, means the power to affect someone's decision. And opportunity in option D means a favorable chance. Since the bonus was meant to encourage him to stay on the job, then option B, incentive, is the most appropriate. As an incentive for him to stay on the job, the salesman was given a bonus. 15. Everyone believed that the kidnappers would kill the boy if the dash was not paid. Everyone believed that the kidnappers would kill the boy if the dash was not paid. A. Money. B. Deposit. C. Ransom. D. Charge. Option A, money, is the currency that is used for payment, a medium of exchange that is acceptable in a particular country. Deposit in option B is money paid in advance for a good or any service. Ransom is the money demanded for the release of a kidnapped person. Charge, option D, means a fee for a service. Since the kidnappers demand the payment for the release of the boy, then ransom is the correct word. Everyone believed that the kidnappers would kill the boy if the ransom was not paid. Option C. There is no Nigerian, as at the time I'm making this video, July 2026, that will fill this particular question. It has a reason that we are not supposed to be talking about on this particular channel. Let's go to the next question. Anyways, forgive my sense of humor. It is not something palatable that we should laugh about. Seriously, it is not. Let's go to the next question. Number 16. We are all waiting to hear the weather dash for tomorrow. We are all waiting to hear the weather dash for tomorrow. A. Declaration. B. Report. C. Broadcast. D. Forecast. Declaration in option A is an official announcement. Report is a general account of information, a general account of something that has happened earlier. Broadcast in option C refers to the transmission of programs on radio or television. Forecast in option D means a prediction of future weather condition. Since it refers to predicting tomorrow's weather, then it is forecast. Weather forecast. We are all waiting to hear the weather forecast for tomorrow. 17. He has won the cup twice, first as a player, then as a dash. He has won the cup twice, first as a player, then as a dash. A. Coach. B. Fan. C. Promoter. D. Referee. Coach in option A is a person who trains and directs a team. Fan is a supporter of a team. Option C, promoter, is someone who organizes an event. Referee in option D is an official who enforces rules and regulations in a particular game or sport generally. Now, a fan does not win a cup. Promoters and referee too don't win cups. It is only players and coaches that win cups and trophies in a team. Hence, the correct option is A, coach. He has won the cup twice, first as a player, then as a coach. 18. The culprits who damaged the college buses have been sent to indefinite dash. The culprits who damaged the college buses have been sent on indefinite dash. A, suspension. B, dismissal. C, deferment. D, referral. Suspension means temporary removal from duty, or in this case, maybe a student, temporary removal from school. Dismissal means permanent removal. It could be from school or from a job. Permanent removal. Someone is dismissed. Deferment in option C means postponement. The act of postponing a particular program or activity to a later date. Referral in option D means directing someone elsewhere. Since the word indefinite in the question suggests temporary but unspecific duration of time, yes, the word indefinite shows that it is not going to be forever, but then we do not know how long it's going to be. Then suspension is the most appropriate. The culprits who damaged the college buses have been sent on indefinite suspension. 19. On my mom's birthday, she took us to the cinema as a dash. On my mom's birthday, she took us to the cinema as a dash. A, treat. B, chat. C, feast. D. Dance. Option A. Treat is something special done for enjoyment. It may be a trip or an outing where you go to eat, enjoy yourself, paid for by someone else. That is a treat. Chat in option B is a casual conversation. Of course, you can chat anywhere, not compulsorily in a cinema. Feast is a large meal, in most cases, in someone's home. Dance is a form of movement to music. It's a rhythmic movement. Since in this question, they went to the cinema for a specific enjoyment, then option A is the correct option. It is a treat. On my mom's birthday, she took us to the cinema as a treat. 20, which is the last question in this video, for this video. Nobody told me where you were. I located you by dash. Nobody told me where you were. I located you by dash. I located you by dash. A. Thinking. B. Wisdom. C. Ability. D. Intuition. Thinking in option A is a process of using your mind to process an idea. Wisdom, option B, means good judgment from experience, from knowledge. Option C, ability, is a skill or a form of competence. Intuition in option D refers to knowing something without conscious reasoning or without being told. Since he found the person without being told, then intuition in option D is the correct option. Nobody told me where you were. I located you by intuition. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you for being here. Do well to subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this video, drop a nice comment and give it a thumbs up. Until I come your way again, study hard and be good. Bye-bye.